Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the last participant is over here, Myra Paintkar. तर ॲक्च्युली हे आपण लास्टला वाजवणार होतो, बट सिन्स शी इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस कॉम्पिटिशन, सो कॉम्पिटिशनच्या नंतर तर आपण ऑब्व्हियसली हे वाजवू शकत नाही, बट ते कॉम्पिटिशनच्या आधी आय एम रिअली बट वी कांट जस्ट प्ले द म्युझिक. It's a national anthem, so we have to respect that. Jai. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated. Thank you, thank you. And now we are having judges इकडे आपले points tally करत आहेत आणि लगेचच आपण इकडे जजमेंट देणार आहोत. तर जे विनर्स आहेत, विनर्सला प्राइज देणार आहोत. बट जोपर्यंत इकडे याची टॅली होत आहे, पॉईंटची टॅली होत आहे, लेट्स call Rebecca on the stage because she is having lots and lots of spot prizes with her. So she is ready. So Rebecca. And बघूया आता ही बक्षिसं कोणाला मिळतात.
खूप लोक जेवतात मला माहिती आहे, but someone just please help them if someone wants to participate. Okay, so now I want someone to take a picture of their meal and show it to me as fast as you can. A picture of your Purim festive meal. Your name? Ranita Malyan has won this prize. Malyankar. Okay. So next, who has the most number of rings on their hand? Please show me your hands, everybody. Whoever has the most number of rings. Anyone wants to give a competition to the 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7? Okay, so Grace Auntie is our winner. She has 7 rings. Anyone has more? Okay, someone who's wearing shoes with laces. Okay, now the first one to sing one line of a Bollywood song. Volunteer. Sing one line of a Bollywood song.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. Thank you.
Okay, so we have a winner here, David Birwatkar. Okay, moving on. Who can give me the funniest Purim pose? Stand in your places and give me the pose. Funniest Purim pose. Any volunteers? Okay, Rafael Thalkar. Everybody look back. So he wins this prize. Okay. Who has the longest hair? Anyone with the longest hair? Whoever wants to compete, please come and stand here. Two पण. With the longest hair. Please be the judge, audience. Okay, we have a clear winner, guys. Anjali is the winner here. Okay, on special demand, we are also opening this question to people who have the least amount of hair or the shortest hair. And we have a winner. Babuji Charikar has won this. Okay, so now we have a mystery pocket hunt. Who has the strangest item in their pocket or purse right now? Show us the strangest item in your purse. What is that? A brush? No, that's not strange. Does anyone want to give a competition? But it's not exactly. Dakwa? Strangest? Eye drop. Okay, we'll consider it. Now? Eye drop. Now? 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 Beena Nagaonkar has eye drops in her purse. Okay, now for the ladies. Someone with the heaviest necklace set. Heaviest necklace set tonight. Heaviest necklace set. We will let the audience be a winner. A judge, sorry. Heaviest set. Anyone else? Okay, we have a winner, guys. Okay, the one with the highest heels tonight. Everyone, please show me your heels. One with the highest heels. Highest heels tonight. ये उबारा? Does anyone want to give a competition? Okay, so we have a winner, Yael. Someone with a 20 rupee coin in their bag. So, someone else who did not get a prize abhi tak. Myra. Okay, now this is a special prize. You will be getting something different from what everyone else got. The best matching couple. Anyone matching today? All the couples, please look at each other and let us know. Matching couple, anyone? We have 2 winners. फोटो 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 त्यांच्या अजून करायचंय झालं ना ठीक आहे.
सांगू दे
Our judges on the stage to announce the winners. आतापर्यंत जे काही परफॉर्मन्सेस झालेले आहेत, जे काही कॉम्पिटिशन्स इकडे झालेले आहेत, जे आपण क्वीन एस्टेल आहे त्याचं देखील विनर आता अनाऊन्स होणार आहे. सो लेट्स कॉल आवर जजेस ऑन द डायस टू अनाऊन्स द विनर्स. अमीरा, माझा आवाज जोपर्यंत जातोय त्याच्या पुढे अजून पास करा. अमीरा इज हिअर. अमीरा, येस. दिस इज एज ग्रुप 1 to 6. Okay, let's move further. The third prize goes to Noam. Fourth prize. Amira is here. Okay, Amira is getting the fourth prize. Everybody please put your hands together. And the third prize goes to Noam. Noam. And second prize goes to Noam is here. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Noam जेव्हा कधी अवेलेबल असेल आपण नोआमचं प्राइज देणार आहोत. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर. सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू एबिगेल. सेकंड प्राइज. Second. Okay, and now comes the first prize, and first prize in the age group of 1 to 6 goes to Ilyana Vaskar. Ilyana. Okay. Okay, Ilyana gets the first prize.
She gets the first prize.
Let she's here, so let's give. Okay, congratulations. And Noam is here. Noam, please collect your prize. Who got the second prize? Congratulations. And now let's move further in the age group of 6 to. Okay. Since we are having 50 plus participants, they are leaving, so 60 plus, 50 plus prize goes to. Okay, 60 plus. Julie gets first prize. Julie auntie. This is prize goes to 50 plus. First prize goes to Julie auntie.
Second is Rafal Talkar.
And second prize goes to Rafal Talkar. Mr. Rafal? Yes, Julie madam gets the prize. Amazing. Okay, now let's welcome Rafael Talkar. Yes. Second prize goes to Rafael Talkar. Wow. And after this, let's move further for 6 to 16 age group. And 6 to 16, first prize goes to Evron. Evron is getting first prize, and second prize goes to. Okay, Evron is coming on the stage. Evron gets first prize.
Everyone gets the first prize.
Okay, and second prize goes to Sarina. Sarina gets the second prize. Yagil. Okay, and the third prize goes to, this is the second prize gone to Sarina, and third prize goes to Yagil. Yagil, are you available? Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. And the fourth prize goes to Ronia. Fourth prize goes to Ronia. Okay, after Ronia, we are moving further in the age group. Okay, and next prize goes to Mr. Shofik. Shofik. Hello, check. Shofik.
Shofet for being Mordecai.
Shofik is here?
Shofet.
Yes. Shofik is getting a prize. Very nice. So let's move further. Okay, so now a prize goes to Queen Esther. Queen Estherचा आता प्राइज आपण अनाउन्स करत आहोत. So Queen Esther goes to Magen Hasidim team. Come on. Oshrit, Ezriel and Elena. Elena Rubens. Priyal Shapurkar. Yeah, please come. Okay, prize for Queen Esther. Wow, इकडे क्वीनचं Okay, we are left with Kitchen King and Queen, and Talent Hunt prizes are still left. Okay. And our queens. Tiara पण आहे का? Okay, after this, the prizes for talent show winners. Prizes goes to talent show winners. Participants of all the talent show participants. Everybody please be ready because now we are announcing the winners for talent show. Wow, Queens. Okay. आता नेटवर्क घेतला पाहिजे खरा. All the participants of talent show, please be ready because now we are announcing the winners for the talent show. क्या बात है. Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies. Thanks for participating. Thank you, ladies, participants. And now for singing prize. Photo. One second. Come. Okay. Announce karo pan. Okay. And singing competition. The second prize goes to Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Participants of Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Participants of Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Prize, second prize goes to them. Participants, are they available?
Ramaya Vastavaya Group, please be on stage first.
Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Yeah, please be quick.
Please come fast. Ramaya Vastavaya.
Okay, and the first prize goes to Rehan and Group.
Group first prize.
Okay, if that group is ready, Rehan and Group, will give them the first. If they Ramaya Vastavaya will come later on, so same. Okay, so first prize winners, Rehan and Group. This is first prize. Congratulations. And Ramaya Vastavaya Group. Okay, they were first prize winners in singing competition. Congratulations, Rehan and Group. 3 generations. Okay, and now the second prize winners, Ramaya Vastavaya Group. After this, dance group, second prize goes to Matan and Group. Matan and Group is ready? Matan and Group. Entire group, stay. Okay. Very nice. मी पण पार्टिसिपेट करायला पाहिजे होतं. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ramaya Vastavaya group. Thank you. And now, in dance competition, okay, thank you very much. Thank you, participants. Thank you. And now let's call Matanan Group dance competition second prize winners. Matanan Group. And after this, the first prize winners. And after this, in dance competition, tikde, one by one. Yes. First prize. Okay, and the first prize goes to Ronian Group, Mukabala. Tama. Stay. Okay, and the first prize in dance competition goes to Ronian Group, Mukabla. Paper. Next, संपलं का आहे अजून? संपलं का आहे अजून? आहे का संपलं? किचन एकच आहे ना ते किचन किंग and kitchen queen. Okay, and after this kitchen king and kitchen queen, the prizes will be announced. Kitchen king and kitchen queen, the prizes will be announced. Let's move with kitchen king. Okay. And we are having a consolation prize for Myra. Myra? Yes, the piano girl. Please come. From the winners, जेवढे पण पार्टिसिपेंट आहेत त्यांच्या सगळ्यांसाठी कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइजेस आहेत. तर जेवढ्यांनी ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये पार्टिसिपेट केलेलं होतं, ज्यांना प्राईज नाही मिळालं आहे, त्यांच्यासाठी कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइजेस आहेत. कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइजेस प्लीज तुम्ही इकडनं एनीबडी स्टँडिंग. ओके, सगळ्या पार्टिसिपेंट ज्यांना प्राईज नाही मिळालं आहे त्यांनी प्लीज इकडनं कॉन्सोलेशन प्राईज कलेक्ट करायचं आहे फ्रॉम रेहान. कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइजेस ओव्हर देअर. विनर्स नाही हा, नो विनर्स, ओनली दोज हू हॅवंट गॉट द प्राइज. कॉन्सोलेशन प्राइज डाउन डाउन डाउन. Okay, all the participants of drawing competition apart from the winners, please collect your prizes from Uncle Rehan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are announcing the kitchen king and queen.
So the consolation goes to chicken pockets.
Okay, the consolation prize goes to chicken pockets.
Chicken pockets.
Chicken pockets.
Consolation prize.
Yes, please come and collect your prize.
सगळ्यांना शालो. मला माहिती आहे क्राऊड कमी आहे, पण आज आपल्यासाठी ज्यांनी जेवण बनवलं, ज्यांनी मसाला बनवण्यापासून सुरुवात केली, असे आपले अलिबाग, आणि ते अलिबागून आज सकाळी 6 वाजता आले. गेले आठवड्याभर फक्त आपल्या फंक्शनसाठी ते लोक मेहनत करतायत. तर मी त्यांना आज स्टेजवर बोलवतो. अब्राम आवासकर, जेसिका आवासकर आणि शोफेद आवासकर, प्लीज स्टेजवर या. अब्राम आवासकर, जेसिका आवासकर आणि टीम रायगड, नुरीत वगैरे सगळे या प्लीज.
So young and so unique. Like I never.
त्याचा आवाजच येत नाही काय आता.
Chicken pockets.
जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे ह्यांच्यासाठी. हे आपल्यासाठी कमीत कमी 10 दिवस मेहनत करतायत. जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे त्यांच्यासाठी. हो, फोटो फोटो.
Chicken pockets च्या नंतर चिकन सीख कबाब. त्याचा थर्ड प्राइज.
Okay, fourth prize in this competition, kitchen king and queen. Photograph center.
And this gift also. For chicken pockets. Queen is chicken seek kebab.
Okay, and next third prize goes to chicken sikh kebab. Chicken sikh kebab,
Two.
token number 2. And the second prize goes to Punjabi Dhaba. Second prize goes to Punjabi Dhaba. Punjabi Dhaba gets the second prize, and after that the first prize. Okay, Punjabi Dhaba. And after this, the first prize,
Chicken roast.
okay, congratulations. And now the first prize goes to chicken roast. Chicken roast. Yeah, the first prize for Kitchen King and Queen goes to chicken roast. Chicken roast. आहे अजून ओके अँड आफ्टर दिस प्राइजेस फॉर खवय्ये प्राइजेस फॉर खवय्ये एकच आहे किचन किंग वॉज ओनली वन बाकी रेस्ट ऑल लेडीज वे
पंजाबी ढाबा बोललो आम्ही
पंजाबी ढाबा पंजाबी ढाबा
पंजाबी ढाबा was the kitchen king. पंजाबी ढाबा king. King है ना तो. But I think so the lady came, so we gave her that. What is this now? K है ना, K म्हणजे king ना. पंजाबी ढाबा. I don't know whether it's king. पंजाबी ढाबा was second now. Second about this. See this. You're giving as per this.
Goes to chicken Szechuan, and to give the prize, Mr. David Birwadkar to please come and give the prize to Kitchen King. I think shawl है काय है Okay, congratulations, Kitchen King. And after this, Khawaiye. Khawaiye, consolation prize goes to Puran Poli, Khawaiye. Token number 36. Puran Poli, Khawaiye. Wait, let them come first. Puran Poli, token 36. Okay. Puran Poli, Khawaiye. Okay, moving next. Third prize goes to Kharwas. Puran Poli. Okay, Puran Poli, third prize. Shimshon Galsurka Sahib, please come. The third prize. Photograph. Okay, and Kharwas, third prize goes to Kharwas. Kharwas. Second prize. Second prize goes to Gujia. Second prize goes to Gujia. And for Kharwas, the third prize. And second prize goes to Gujia. And the first prize goes to Rabdi. First prize goes to Rabdi. Khawaiye. Rabdi.
Token number 35.
नाव द रनर अप प्राइज रबडी. हे कोण देत आहे? आहेत ना. फर्स्ट प्राइज गोes to रबडी. रबडी से
रबड़ी का कौन है रबड़ी? तो तेरा भाई को बनाने.
स्पेशल गिफ्ट फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजर फ्रॉम वेलविशर. आपके लिए गिफ्ट आया वेलविशर से. ये अपन सब एक साथ हो जाएंगे. वेलविशर का है.
और हैप्पी होली.
Okay, congratulations. I thank the managing committee, trustees, the organizing committee, all the judges who has given their valuable time and made the judgment, the difficult part of the event. Also, I thank all the sponsors who has sponsored the things. Also, thanking all the participants who has participated in this program. And thank you everyone for coming and making this Purim festival a great and grand festival. Now, on this note, now we are having a prize for Purim Skit participants. So I request all the participants from Purim Skit to please come and collect your prizes. Hello, all the participants from Purim Skit. All the participants from Purim Skit. Participants of Purim Skit.
नाव अनाउन्स करावं लागेल मला वाटतं ते पण माहिती नाही.
शोफेत आवाजकर. अजून कोण होता? शेरिल दिगोडकर, शोफेत आवाजकर, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. I request all the Purim Skit participants, please come on the stage. अच्छा जेवढे आहेत त्यांना देऊन टाका. चला. येतील येतील येतील. कुठे गेले? ए शेरिल का तू कलेक्ट कर आजा.
थँक्यू आहे शेवटचं.